All right, gang, here we are at European Motors in Cedar Rapids. Going to do a walk around and test drive on this beautiful 2020 Tiguan. This is a clean Carfax 2-owner car. And the thing I love about this, I love the contrast with the jet black. Look at those seats. That's pretty cool. And those are cloth. So it's a really classy looking interior in my opinion.
These updated Tiguans are just a nice size.
Yeah, plenty of room. You got the factory floor mats down there. This is an S model, so you don't get some of the fancy options, but if you're just looking for no frills transportation with everything you need, it certainly has that. Seats fold nice and flat for all you dog fans out there. This is a non-smoker. Got the spare back there.
Great set of tires on this one as well.
Yeah, brandy new. We put them on, all season tires. Just love that interior treatment. Just super clean in there, non-smoker again. Close up of the seat here. This has about 47,000 miles. We'll get the, well, I'll just get the exact right now. 47,658. And Tommy, I am not seeing, I'm sure we've got a ding or a scratch somewhere, but the car shows really, really well.
It's exceptionally clean.
I'm just not seeing anything. And we got a little, okay, we got a little chip here and one here.
I'm sighting down the side of the car, and I don't want to say it, there might be one, but I'm not even seeing any door dings.
No, I don't see anything that kind of jumps out at me.
If there are any, they're small.
Yeah, car's in really good shape, non-smoker, really clean. And I've driven this before. I love the way these drive, and I've driven this one in particular. Man, even down here on the bumper, I'm not seeing any load marks. We got a little bit of water here.
Smudge there.
Yeah. Of course, 4Motion all-wheel drive. We didn't mention that. That is, you know, about half these are just front-wheel drive. Maybe a little less than half. So, but this one is all-wheel drive. Let's go drive it, huh, Tommy?
Let's take it for a spin.
Oh, there's, thank you.
For you.
47,658, we kind of touched on that. I'm gonna just turn the key on. We'll show you all the warning lights come on, and then they're gonna clear off. Nobody's tampered with any of those.
The nice thing about this being a 2020 as well is you get the nice big touchscreen, and it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Mirror Link, so you can put your phone's navigation right onto the screen. I mean,
that's actually probably the way of the future, is that instead of having navigation, it just mirrors your phone right on the screen.
Way better than having it in-car navigation. It just works so well. And then you can set up all the navigation on your phone in your house before you even get into the car.
Kind of a chilly morning this morning, but it's nice and cozy in here. The heater works really well.
It works really well.
There is, I mean, this steering wheel is just no wear on it. You can just feel it. It's just very well taken care of.
Got the books in the glove box as well. Being a all-wheel drive SUV of this size, this still gets upper 20s, close to 30 miles to the gallon on the highway.
Yeah, 2-liter turbocharged engine. Has plenty of power for what it is, but still gets you good economy for something this size. This is a really nice size SUV. I would call this a mid-size.
This is mid-size. I'm 6 foot tall, and I have a good amount of room if I sit in the back seat. It seats 4 very comfortably. Get the Rayo's good sound system in it.
That does sound really good. So I'll give it about half pedal. We'll kind of get it up to speed here. We've got new brakes on the front, new tires all the way around. Have to wait for traffic here. We'll run it down this ramp. I'll try and get it up to about 60. So you can see it doesn't do anything weird. We've got no noises. It's nice and quiet in here, honestly.
Very comfortable place to be.
Lots of value here for the price. Shifts really nicely. Well, that's 65. Goes down the road just great. I'm gonna get on the brakes for this transit van. Doesn't shake or shimmy or pull or do anything. So there it is. 2020 Tiguan, only 47,000 miles. Clean Carfax, great color combination. Kind of got all the options you need. So remember, we ship anywhere in the lower 48 states. So if you're watching this from a little ways away, we'd be happy to accommodate you, get it shipped right to your driveway. Or come on in and see us. We're right in the heart of the Midwest, just a few hours from a lot of major metro areas like Chicago, Minneapolis, St. Louis, Kansas City, Omaha, and just a couple hours from Des Moines. So love to earn your business. Tommy, is there anything I need to touch on that I forgot?
If there's anything we missed, give us a call. We can always do a personalized FaceTime or walk around with you over video chat as well.
Thanks so much for watching.